Listen up, you're spending money on ads, getting plenty of clicks and leads, but when it comes to actual paying clients and conversion rates, cricket sounds. And before you blame your sales team or think you need better ads, I need to tell you about a discovery that Google made after analyzing millions of customer journeys, and it explains exactly why your high-ticket offers aren't converting no matter how good your Facebook ads are. There's a hidden step happening between your ad click and your sales that's costing you hundreds of thousands in revenue. Google discovers something about buyer behaviors that changes everything, and 99% of business owners have no idea that this is even happening. And in this video, I'm going to reveal what your prospects are secretly doing before they buy from you, and how to turn your YouTube channel into a sales weapon that closes deals before a lead even jumps on a call. Here's what I see happening with successful business owners every single day. You're running Facebook ads, you're getting leads, your cost per lead looks decent on paper, but when it comes to actually closing high ticket deals, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000 services, something's not adding up. You'll get 50 leads from your ads, book 15 strategy calls, and maybe close 2 to 3 deals. That's a 4 to 6% conversion rate when you should be hitting 20 to 30 with high quality leads. So what's happening to the other 12 prospects who seemed interested but didn't buy? They're not going radio silent by accident, but they're doing something very specific before they make their purchasing decision. And until you understand what that something is, you'll keep watching qualified prospects slip through your fingers no matter how much you spend on ads. Google spent millions researching buyer behavior, and what they discovered will change how you think about your entire sales process. They call it the 7-11-4 rule. And here's what they found before making a high ticket purchase. Prospects need an average of 7 hours of engagement with your brand across 11 different touch points in at least 4 different locations. So let me put that into perspective for you. Your current funnel gives prospects maybe 41 minutes of engagement total. Your Facebook ad 30 to 60 seconds, your landing page 2 minutes, maybe 10, your email sequence maybe 15 minutes total, your sales call 30 to 60 minutes, but your prospects need 420 minutes. That's 7 full hours before they're ready to buy. You're giving them 90 minutes to 120 and wondering why they're not converting. Now, this isn't my opinion. This is Google's research based on analyzing millions of buying behaviors. The 7-hour rule is real, and it's happening whether you're aware of it or not. But here's where it gets interesting, and this is something that most marketing agencies will never tell you because they don't understand how content and paid ads work together. So where are your prospects getting the missing 6 hours of engagement? They're researching you, and guess where they're doing most of that research? The answer isn't better Facebook ads. It's not a longer sales call. The answer is YouTube. See, YouTube is the only platform where people will voluntarily consume hours of your content. Think about it. When's the last time you watched a 20-minute Facebook ad? Probably never. But on YouTube, you'll binge watch 3 hours of content about something you're interested in without even thinking about it. Your Facebook ads do what they do best. They interrupt people's attention and capture leads. But YouTube does what Facebook can't. It nurtures those leads through hours of valuable content until they're ready to buy. And I understand there's email marketing, yes. But when someone finds your YouTube channel after clicking your Facebook ad, they consume 2 hours, even 3 or even 5 hours of your content in a single session. They'll watch your tutorials, authority content, or your client success stories. They're essentially giving themselves the 7 hours of engagement they need to feel confident about hiring or working with you. So let me walk you through the buyer's journey you don't see. Someone clicks your Facebook ad, maybe even books a call, but before that happens, they're typing your name into Google to find out more about you. They check your Instagram, website, etc., and ultimately find your YouTube channel. They're watching your videos, they're evaluating whether you actually know what you're talking about. But if your YouTube presence is weak or even worse, non-existent, you're failing their credibility check before you even get on the phone with them. So think about this. You spend $500 to acquire that lead through Facebook. They were interested enough to book a call. call, but they ghost you because your nurture sequences fail flat, or they don't get hammered with sales assets to get them pumped and ready for the call. Then your sales guys or you waste time on the call educating the lead on what you do and who you even are. How do I know this? Because I've been implementing the system to multiple 7-figure entrepreneurs, and I've audited their sales calls to see how the sales guys work the leads. And when this system was implemented, the calls went from the prospect saying, yeah, I jumped on this call to see if this program was even worth my time or your service was even worth my time, to your marketing is spot on. I saw your YouTube video on X, Y, and Z. I saw this is what I need to make the change. It all makes sense. I just wanted to talk to someone to get a few specific questions answered and to know what next steps would be to join. That's not a lead quality problem. That's not a sales script problem. That's a trust problem. And trust is built through consistent, valuable content that demonstrates your expertise. If you want to know about the psychology of trust, click this video right here. But your YouTube video isn't just a content platform, it's your secret sales weapon, and most business owners have no idea how to use it. But when you structure this integration correctly, which I'm about to show you, something magical happens to your conversion rates. Your YouTube channel should function as a trust building engine that pre-sales your prospects before they even get on a call with you. When someone researches you on YouTube, they should find content that answers every objection, demonstrates your expertise, and makes them excited to work with you. So there are 3 types of content that close high ticket sales, and you need all 3 working together. First, expertise demonstration content. These are tutorial videos, how-to content, and strategic breakdowns that prove you know what you're talking about. When a prospect watches you solve a problem similar to theirs, they're thinking, this person gets me. They can help me. If you're a business consultant, don't just talk about increasing revenue. Show them exactly how you identified a 200 grand profit leak in a client's business and the 3 steps you took to fix it. That's 20 minutes of engagement that builds massive credibility. Second is social proof content. Case studies, testimonials, and transformation stories, which are my favorite. But here's the key. Don't just show the results, show the process. Take them behind the scenes of how you even got those results. Instead of saying, I helped John increase his revenue by 300%, create a video called How John Went from 50K to 200K in 8 months. Complete case study breakdown. Show them strategy, the implementation, the challenges, and the results. That's credibility you just can't fake. Third, authority building content. Behind the scenes videos, thought leadership, and your unique frameworks. This is where you share your philosophy, your approach, and what makes you different. Create videos about your methodology, your core beliefs about your industry, and your predictions for where things are heading. When prospects see you as a thought leader, price becomes less of an objection. So here's what's happening when you have all 3 types of content working together. A prospect clicks your Facebook ad, opts in, and books a call. But before the call, they spend 3 hours watching your YouTube videos. They see your expertise, your results, and your approach. By the time they get on the call, they're not asking, can you help me? They're asking, when can we start? That's the power of pre-selling through strategic content. But let's pretend they saw the ad, they didn't book a call. Here's what happens. They do their own research to see if you are the person for them. Once they do their homework and study your YouTube channel, they're going to self-book themselves down the road. I've seen this time and time again with my clients' sales calls where the prospect openly admits this. The prospect goes ahead and says, hey, I opted into your ad a long time ago, but after watching multiple YouTube videos, now I think I'm ready to take action. And your free content actually helped me get to this point where I'm now finally ready to invest with you. If your free stuff is that good, I can't imagine what your paid stuff looks like. So here's exactly how to turn your YouTube channel into a sales weapon. First, audit your current YouTube presence. What does someone see when they research your name? If you don't have a channel, create one immediately. If you have one, but it's neglected, now is the time to fix it. Second, map out your content pillars based on the 3 types I mentioned. Plan 4 expertise videos, 2 social proof videos, and 2 authority videos per month. That's 8 videos that directly support your sales process. If you can't do 8, cut it down to 4 It's totally fine. Third, create content that answers every question prospects have before even buying from you. What are their biggest objections? What do they need to believe about you to feel confident about their purchase? Turn each of these into a video. For example, if a prospect always asks you about your process, create a video called My Exact 90-Day Client Transformation Process Behind the Scenes. If they're concerned about ROI, make a video showing specific client results with numbers and timelines. Fourth, optimize your videos for how prospects actually research. This is the SEO friendly type titles. Alternatively, you can use your name in the video titles. Create a playlist that makes it easy for your prospects to watch. Make sure your best content is easy to find when someone searches for you. Finally, measure success by sales impact, not vanity metrics. Track how many prospects mention your YouTube videos on sales calls. Monitor conversion rates before and after implementing this strategy. Views don't matter, revenue does. And obviously, profit. Here's a bonus step for you high achievers who want to turn drop-offs into warm leads. Let's say you're running lead form ads and a prospect fills a form, but they don't book a call. Most people hammer these leads with just generic follow-up emails, but here's a smarter way. Use those emails to link directly to your objection handling videos on your YouTube channel. Instead of saying book a call, you're saying watch this video that answers the exact doubts you're having. And the best part, you can repurpose your existing YouTube transcripts into these emails using AI to craft irresistible subject lines that drive clicks. Once that prospect lands on your channel and watches even one video, they're in your world. They're consuming and they're pre-selling themselves without even realizing it. I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot of work, but here's the reality. You're already spending hours every week on sales calls with unqualified prospects. What if half of those calls were with people who are already pre-sold through your content? One strategic YouTube video can pre-sell hundreds of prospects over the next 12 months. That's leverage you can't get from any other marketing channel. Here's what most business owners don't realize. While you're focused on optimizing your Facebook ads and tweaking your landing pages, your prospects are making their real buying decisions on YouTube. And if you're not there or your presence is weak, you're losing deals to competitors who understand this. Right now, you have a competitive advantage because most business owners in your space don't know that YouTube is where high ticket sales are actually won or lost. That window won't stay open forever. Imagine this, 6 months from now, your YouTube channel has about 50 strategic videos that demonstrate your expertise, showcase your results, and build your authority. Every prospect who books a call has already spent hours consuming your content. Your conversion rates jump from 6% to 25% because people are already pre-sold before they even talk to you. If you're currently closing 3 deals per month at 10K each, that's 30 grand in monthly revenue. With a 25% conversion rate, you'd be closing 12 deals per month. That's 120 grand. Same ad spend, same leads, but 4x the revenue because you're using YouTube as your secret sales weapon. Every day you wait to implement this strategy, you're literally leaving money on the table. Every prospect who reaches you and finds weak or non-existent YouTube channels is a lost opportunity you just can't get back. Or worse, they work with someone else. If you want to turn your YouTube channel into a sales weapon that closes high ticket deals while you sleep, I want to show you exactly how to do it. I'm offering a limited number of strategy calls where I'll analyze your current funnels, show you exactly where you're losing prospects, and create a custom YouTube strategy that turns your existing ads, leads, into paying clients. But here's the thing, I can only work with a handful of business owners who are serious about implementing this. If you're spending at least $2,000 to $5,000 or even more per month on ads and you're ready to turn your YouTube into a competitive advantage, click the link below and let's just talk. I know here's the bullshit that you always hear, like, hey, the limited amount of seats, yada, 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 but it's a very tailored, customized strategy where we implement a ghostwriter for you who needs to understand your tonality. And it's very much hands-on. And because of that, I genuinely cannot take on a lot of clients because it's very personalized. So while your competitors are still trying to close deals with 41 minutes of engagement, you'll be closing them with 7 hours of strategic content that pre-sells every prospect before they even get a call with you. Your YouTube channel is your secret sales weapon, so it's time to start using it. Click the link below to book your YouTube sales strategy call, and I'll show you exactly how to turn your channel into a high-ticket closing machine. But if you want to know a tactical video on what to start implementing today, then watch this video where I go over the one-page YouTube plan to blow up your business channel.